Did you know your sliding gate can do far more than simply open and close? Most Sydney homeowners only think about convenience and appearance, but there are hidden security benefits that could make your property much harder to target. In this video, we are revealing 5 surprising advantages that many people completely overlook. Sliding gates are much harder to force open than many traditional swinging gates because they move sideways along a secure track. That alone creates a stronger first line of defense. Sliding gates slow down intruders. The longer someone takes trying to gain access, the greater the chance they'll give up or attract attention. Security experts call this target hardening, and it's one of the simplest ways to improve home security. Aluminium slat designs can provide privacy while still allowing excellent visibility for cameras and homeowners. You can monitor visitors without compromising the modern appearance of your home. Sliding gates help control vehicle access. They reduce the risk of unwanted parking, vehicle theft, and unauthorized entry onto your property. Perhaps the biggest surprise is that premium security doesn't need to look industrial. Modern aluminium sliding gates add value, enhance street appeal, and improve security all at the same time. If you're planning a new gate, don't choose based on appearance alone. Think about how your gate contributes to the overall security of your property. The right sliding gate is an investment that protects your home every single day. If you're in Sydney's eastern suburbs and you're considering a premium aluminium sliding gate, contact Aluminium Fencing Sydney today for a free consultation. We'll help you find the ideal solution for your home. And if you have any questions about sliding gates, leave them in the comments below. We'd love to help. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more expert advice on aluminium fencing and gates.